In this video, I will show you how to add your YouTube account or your YouTube channel to your Facebook profile. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you get your YouTube URL link. For that, go ahead and open up your YouTube account. Open up your YouTube account right here. Proceed to your profile. Then go ahead and click on View Channel. Then go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Click on Share. Click on Copy Link. Then exit from your YouTube account. Open up your Facebook app. Click on your profile icon. Click on these three dots from the top. Click on Add Action button. Scroll down right here. Select Watch Now. Then scroll down right here. Paste your YouTube video or YouTube channel link right here. Click and hold down. Click and hold down. Paste your link. Once you paste your link, click on Save right here. Successfully save the Action Configure button, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.